Ever seen an animal so rare that even scientists are shocked? If you ever spot these, consider yourself insanely lucky. King Cheetah. Looks like a cheetah, but with bold black stripes instead of spots. This rare mutation happens in just 1 out of 1,000 cheetahs, making it look like royalty. Spotless cheetah. A cheetah with 0 spots? Sounds impossible, right? Thanks to a rare mutation called erythrism, this cheetah's coat stays completely golden. No spots, just sleek perfection. Spotted zebra. Imagine a zebra where the stripes break into polka dots. That's a spotted zebra caused by a mutation called pseudomelanism. The first one was spotted in 2019. Literally spotted. Which one would you want to see in real life? Drop a comment.